Shh! Stay with me, June. Jake, hold my hand tight. Oh no, we're stuck, and I don't have my phone.
Mom, the floor is moving! I'm scared!
Help! Somebody help us!
Phew. Okay, how did a simple trip to the dentist turn into our literal worst nightmare? Let's rewind to where it all went wrong. Come on, kiddos, move those little legs. We are already 5 minutes late for your dental checkup.
Mom, my backpack is like 1,000,000 pounds heavy. I can't run this fast.
Wait for me! The parking garage is super scary and dark.
I know, buddy. I'm sorry. We just need to hustle to the 10th floor. What does hustle mean? A, to move slowly. B, to move quickly. Or C, to sleep.
Seriously, why is the dentist always on the highest floor of the building?
My shoe is slipping off! Stop! Mom, wait!
Got it. Keep going, Jake. We are almost at the doors, I promise. Okay, whew, we made it to the elevator. Everybody inside. Deep breaths, team. I just need to show the receptionist the... Wait, where is it?
Where is what, Mom? Your wallet?
My phone! I don't feel it in my pocket. Oh man, I must have left it on the driver's seat when we parked.
Maybe it's hiding in your big bag, Mom.
No, it's definitely back in the car. I remember setting it down right next to your school folder to grab my keys.
Can we just go up anyway? We know the room number, duh.
I need the insurance code on my screen, sweetie. They absolutely won't see us without it. We have to go back to the car.
But I'm so tired of running. Can't we just stay here forever?
Oh no. We're already moving. I have to stop this thing and go back down right now. I just need to stop. What is an emergency stop? A, to speed up. B, to stop now. Or C, to open doors.
Mom, your hands are shaking. Don't touch all the buttons like that.
Ah! Mom! It's happening! It's dark!
We're falling! Help! Help us!
June, Jake, where are you guys? I can't see a single thing.
I'm right over here! Mom! I'm suffocated! There's like no air in here!
What does suffocated mean? A, to feel like you cannot breathe. B, to be cold. Or C, to be happy. Shh, stay perfectly still. We aren't falling. We are just stuck. We are stationary. What does stationary mean? A, moving fast. B, not moving. Or C, floating.
But it's so dark. Is the elevator going to break into pieces? I want to go home.
Mom, did you hear that? Something is rattling right above us.
Oh, God, the phone. If I just had my phone, I could use the flashlight to see you guys. I am so sorry.
Mom, the elevator is tilted. We are totally leaning to the side. Are we going to crash?
Don't let us fall, Mom. Please, please.
No, baby. The cables are super strong. I promise. I just need to find the alarm button.
Why is it so quiet now? It's way too quiet in here.
Mom, your face is all wet. You're crying. Please don't cry.
I'm just worried, Jake. I made a silly mistake. I really shouldn't have touched all those buttons.
Mom, my heart is beating so fast. It feels like a giant drum in my chest. Is the air running out?
No, honey. The air is perfectly fine. I'm searching for the button right now. Aha! Got it! I'm pressing the emergency bell!
Ah, that's so loud. It's hurting my ears.
It's way too loud. It makes the room feel tinier. Make it stop.
It has to be loud. Without my phone, we are completely cut off from the world. We are in total isolation. What is isolation? A. Being in a crowd. B. Being alone or separated from others. Or C. A type of music.
Mom, look at the door. There is dusty stuff coming from the ceiling. We are trapped.
It literally feels like the walls are moving closer.
We are not trapped forever. Someone will definitely hear that bell. We just have to keep our cool.
Psst. Mom said we have to keep our cool. That idiom means to stay calm when things are super scary.
I can't breathe, Mom. It's getting so incredibly hot. Please get us out. I just want to see the sun.
June, look right at me. Use the red emergency light. Look at my eyes. Breathe with me. In and out.
Wait, I hear a scratchy sound on the roof. Is the elevator breaking?
No, Jake, maybe it's help. Hello? Can anyone hear us? Oh, man, I don't know what to do.
Mom, why are you crying again? You are the brave one. Please be brave for us.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm showing so much vulnerability right now. I feel like such a bad mom for forgetting the stupid phone. What is vulnerability? A. Being strong. B. Showing your true feelings and fear. Or C. Being fast.
It's okay, Mom. You are holding my hand. I'm not scared if you are holding me.
Yeah, we are a totally awesome team, Mom. Don't cry. We can hang in there.
Did you hear? June said, hang in there. That idiom means to stay patient and absolutely not give up.
Hello? Is someone in elevator 4? We hear the alarm.
Yes, it's Lisa Whitmore. I have my 2 children in here. We are stuck and the lights are out.
Okay, Lisa, stay calm. We see you on the security monitor. A technician is in the lobby right now.
Is he coming with a giant fireman ladder? We are very, very high up.
No, silly. He's coming to fix the computer, Jake. We just have to wait a little bit longer. We are safe.
Mom, look! The main light is turning back on. I can finally see your face.
Oh, thank goodness. Come here, both of you. Let me hold you tight.
Mom, if we get out, can we go get a big ice cream instead of going to the dentist?
You know what? If we get out of here, you can have a giant sundae with extra cherries on top.
The elevator just moved. I felt a little jump right in my stomach.
Go! Run out! Get to the light, kids!
The ground doesn't move. I love you, carpet.
Fresh air. Mom, I can actually breathe again. It's amazing.
Thank heaven. Whew, I never thought I'd be so incredibly happy to see a plain, boring hallway.
Are you okay, ma'am? You look very pale. Do you need a doctor?
I'm okay, really. I just need a quick moment to sit down. My heart is still totally racing.
Look, Mom, the security man has a walkie-talkie. He's like a real-life superhero.
No, you were the hero, Mom. You stayed with us in the dark, even when you were super scared.
Aw, we were all heroes today. Forget the dentist. Let's go get that ice cream.
Class is in session. Let's see how you guys did on today's elevator vocabulary. Hustle. B. To move quickly. Emergency stop. B. To stop now. Suffocated. A. To feel like you cannot breathe. Stationary. B. Not moving. Isolation. B. Being alone or cut off from others. Vulnerability. B. Showing your true feelings and fear. Now, let's review our idioms. Keep your cool means staying calm, and hang in there means staying patient and not giving up. Before we go, answer this in the comments. The last time I had to keep my cool was when? See you next time. Goodbye.